Hello everyone, am I audible? Okay. So welcome to Cloudnautic and we are IT transformation and solutions services company. We are actually a startup and currently we are having few clients. We are providing services for the application development, website development. Also whatever workloads are there from their side, we are leveraging them with the cloud services like we can have AWS platform here and Azure as well. We are partnered with AWS and Microsoft Azure too. And I hope you have signed up for the form that I have provided on WhatsApp. Yes, Ritesh, Siddharth, have you signed up regarding the same? Okay. So here I have created one of repo that will define you which are the tasks that need to be completed by interns, and the total duration for this internship is for 2 months, and various tasks are being will be assigned to you on a week wise. You need to complete it and you need to submit the whatever output you are getting, or whatever task has been completed by you. And on a weekly basis we will revise in a meeting as well. So whether you are getting any challenges, or uh, whether you are facing some troubleshooting part or not, that we can sort it out. And you can cross check for this repo, which is available as a public from our official organization account. Here I am pasting that in the chat box. So for the first week, you need to try for installation things like installation of Visual Studio, Git, Docker, Minikube, which is on a Kubernetes level, Terraform, that's the infrastructure as a code, Jenkins, which is used for CI/CD pipeline, Shape Puppet are for the configuration purposes. Later on, you will try for signing up account, AWS account, and also you will learn about. You need to practice on IAM services over there, which is used for creating organization accounts. And most of the cases when you will work on industry, you will get IAM account, but you should have some hands-on experience. So for billing purposes, you will use your own AWS account. That's the thing here. Within the internship, we will not provide you AWS account, as the bill is being generated as per the consumption level. So the for day 3 to 5, you need to sign up for AWS account. That's the necessary part here. Then you should have a Git setup on your machine, and GitHub account is mandatory for this internship. So for first week, you just need to check for the tools that we will have, or whatever configuration that we will have for upcoming projects. In second week, you will start practicing for AWS services, and this will be include compute, networking, databases, security, storage services. Lot more services are there. 200 plus services are there, out of which whichever are important as per the project level, that you can start the practicing on it, and then you can submit the tasks as per your practice level. In week 3, you need to try for Docker. Docker is a tool which is used for containerization. Later on, for week 4, Kubernetes deployment should be there. And as for the infrastructure level, you can start for creating a project in a Minikube, that is local Kubernetes cluster. For week 5, you can try for Terraform modules, and which is used for infrastructure as a code. You will have and you will have some experience on AWS and Azure services and deployment regarding the same by using Terraform in week 5. And week 6, you will practice for CI/CD pipeline, that is continuous integration, continuous deployment. You will create a Jenkins pipeline, And on week 7, you need to try for Ansible and Chef, which are configuration tools. There are some scripts and projects are available with me. You will practice regarding it. And on a week 8, you will have a final project, and we will take review regarding the same at the last week. So this will be whole scene for this 2 months internship. And if you have any doubt regarding the same, you can ask for me. Just cross check with the link that I have pasted in the chat box. So you all have GitHub account, just let me know. Okay. Okay, if you're not having account, you can just sign up for AWS as well and for GitHub, and then start practicing on your local machine. Later on, I will show how to practice on AWS account as well, but you should have your own AWS account, and I will just provide you some task and you need to complete it within the first 2 weeks on AWS. I'm also having some recordings with me. If you need it, I will provide that one. And we will create one of WhatsApp group. So just ping me on this particular number. I'm just entering it in a chat box. So this is organization mobile number, WhatsApp number. Uh, it's not activated for calls. It's only for WhatsApp communication. And just ping me with your hi message and your details, and I will add to WhatsApp group very soon. And one more thing, you need to provide me your usernames, GitHub usernames, and I will add you to this internship repository from the settings tab. So here I will add you as a collaborator so that we can work towards the internship task, and I will also provide you um, one of Google form. Whenever any task has been completed, you can submit regarding the same, and we will also maintain project details here, so we can have a internship track record and various tasks I will assign you from here. So from here, suppose I'm adding in one of tasks, like this is the first task, that origination part and signing up for the account level. So here is a issue tab. So I will assign you tasks related to your account and the scenario details. So that's a later on practice we will regarding it. We will try it. And right now the basic task for you, that on the first week, here I'm just letting you know. So for this week, the first task, that is for signing up for GitHub account, signing up for AWS account. So I'm also showing you where you need to sign up for AWS account. You can try for aws.amazon.com. And after signing up successful, you will get this type of console. So that console will be activated after 24 hours. And for signing up of AWS account, you should have a debit card or credit card, your one of email and mobile number. So if these three credentials are right, you will get AWS account after validation. So right now I'm just showing you how the console look like in case of AWS. Just a sec. So this type of console should be there, and you can practice for lot more services. So if you're clicking on services tab from your AWS account after signing up, here you can see that 200 plus services are there, out of which services are important for project level. We can practice it, or we can have the stuff regarding it. So here I have mentioned that you can sign up for AWS. Okay. So later on you will try for IM service practice. So I will also share the recording of IM service later on, and you will get idea regarding the same. So here you can search for IM, and this is used for identity and access management, for creating user accounts for the employee level. You can have this IM service. And then Git and GitHub. So you need to install a Git, then create a GitHub account. That's the task, and you will create a repository. Then you will practice some basic Git commands. If you require, I will also provide you uh, one of GitHub cheat sheet. Okay, and then you can refer it. I will paste it in a WhatsApp group that we are having, and also you can try for creating a GitHub repository and practice regarding the same. So you can save your any code on. If you are totally new to the GitHub, just start practicing on a GitHub. That's a requirement for this week, and signing up for AWS account and installation of these softwares on your local machine. That is Git, that is version control system, Docker, which is used for containerization, Minikube, that is used for container orchestration, Terraform, that is used for infrastructure as a code, Jenkins, which is used for CI/CD pipeline, Chef, which is used for configuration purposes, Puppet also the same. Okay. So, do you have any doubt regarding this week practice? Just let me know. Right. Yes, that's okay. You can practice on it. No issues. But for this week, just start to create a IM accounts. You can start practicing on a IM service. That's an easy service. I will just let you know how to do that. Just for the practice purpose, you can try. You can search for IM over there. Then here is a users tab. You can click on create user, and suppose my user is test user. Here I have added test user as the username. Then click on next. Now you can add particular user to the groups as well. So various team members will be there on a project level. Suppose you are having any administration department, some operations department, some development department, you can create a group regarding it. So what I will try, whatever user I have created, I will add to one of group. Here I am selecting it, and at the right hand side you are having policies that should be attached. So these policies will provide you permissions on user level. So suppose I want to add particular user to the admin group, I need to provide that user full access. So I will select for admin full access service. And suppose I am having a developer group, and I need to provide, in that case, virtual machine access. So virtual machine service here is a EC2. So what I will try, I will select a user for this developer group, and I will provide EC2 full access policy. And then here I am clicking on next, and in this way I have created a new user. So whatever account you are having right now, that is a root account, and you have created a user account. Now these user accounts are available for employees organization, and if you're checking for this particular user list, right now I have just selected this user. So there is a security credentials tab at the right hand side. You can click on it, and here is option enable console access. So right now you are accessing a root account, which is organization account, and for the employees there is a IM account. So there is a sign in link is also present over there, and you can just set a password for this sign in link for employee. So you can click on enable console access, You can add your own passwords. Here I'm adding just own password for this test user, and then I'm clicking on enable console access. So here is a link for employee to sign in. Here is a username of employee, and here is a password for the employee. Here I'm downloading it for my reference, and let's try to sign in from the employee account. Here I'm copying this. I'm just opening a incognito mode, pasting it here. Here I'm copying a username. Here I'm pasting the username, and I'm also pasting the password that I have set, and signing. So if these three credentials are right, employee will sign in and he will practice regarding a project level. And whatever bill will be generated, that will be on root account. Okay? So this type of practice you can try now, as you are already having a AWS account. And later on, when your practice will be done, just delete the user and delete everything that you have created. So there is no billing for IAM service. Uh, that's the case. But for other services, billing will be generated. So what I will try, here I'm selecting an user that I have created, clicking on delete. Here I'm just naming the user and clicking on delete. So this user account will be deleted. And from here, as we have signed in, this console will be gone very soon. Okay, understood? You can also cross check with our website, and if you have any suggestions, improvement plan for regarding the website, you can also provide me inputs. I will accept that. Or if you want to maintain our company website, that's also fine. We are always welcome to the intern suggestions. So here I am pasting the link of our website. We are providing services on IT transformation and cloud solutions. So those who are very new to the IT, we are supporting them on a hardware level, and those who are already in IT, we are transforming their services to the cloud platform. That's our motto here. And you can also visit our office, which is at Kalode, Devanandi Road, which is nearer to your place. And when I will be available at office, you can come to the office as well. Mostly we are preferring for hybrid mode. You can also continue this internship online and offline mode. Any doubt? Abhishek, Aditya, Aryam, Pranav, Ritesh, Siddhant? I will also provide this recording. Don't worry, you can revise the recording and you can understand the process. Uh, I will put one message in a WhatsApp group, current WhatsApp group, and we will form a new WhatsApp group for communication level. I'm expecting uh, task completion from you clearly. Also, the period for this internship will be 2 months, so you need to utilize this full 2 months. That's the case. Uh, I'm extremely available for technical help regarding DevOps modules, AWS. If you have any other interest in cloud platform, I will also going to mentor you. No issues regarding it. But while communicating, just drop me one message, and whenever I will be free, I will reply you back. Don't call me on my number. That's a suggestion because I'm too much busy person. I'm having some schedule. That's the case. So task for this week, you need to sign up for AWS, you need to use your own debit card. Don't use your friend's debit card or family debit card. If you're not having a debit card, just use. Then in that case, you can use family any family member debit card. But you need to practice very precisely, else you will get bill for it. That's the case later on. And that's it. And you can ask if you have any doubt or any questions regarding the internship. You can ask questions in Marathi as well. I'm okay with Marathi, Hindi. Yes, Abhishek, Aditya, Aryan, Pranav, Ritesh, Siddhant, काही डाउट्स है? समझते हैं? ठीक ठीक है, फिर स्टॉप करते हैं यहाँ पे. हाँ. Yes, I have just created one repo. You can refer it regarding the same. So for this first week, you need to sign up for AWS account. That's a mandatory stuff, and sign up for GitHub account as well. After the signing up to the GitHub, you need to practice for creating a repo, then some Git commands. I will provide you the Git command sheets as well. And one more thing, you need to try for installation of these softwares on your local machine or in EC2 service. But if you are not familiar with the EC2, later on we will discuss regarding the EC2 service. But right now on your physical machine, you can try for installation of Visual Studio, Git, Docker, Minikube, Terraform, Jenkins, Shape and Puppet. Shape and Puppet may require a subscription, but you can try for free setup for Linux machine. So do you all have Linux operating system with you? Just let me know. Or you are simply using a Windows operating system. Okay. Can you try for setting up Linux in virtual machine? Everyone? I will add this stuff within this week setup. So here I'm just adding one more task. Set virtual machine with Linux OS. You can try for Ubuntu as well, but most preferably try for Red Hat, Red Hat OS. So here I'm adding start for it. So if you are going to practice for Red Hat, that will be more better. Else if you are very new on Linux, just try for Ubuntu setup in a virtual machine. You can use VMware or VirtualBox. I know you are very good at Google, so you will do that stuff. Okay, so I will paste this message on a group as well and the link regarding the same. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can try. If you are having voting card or any other details, you can try. Yes, you can try. You can try. Yes, you will get it. Definitely. Good morning. Good morning. No, no issue. Okay. And one more point, this internship is totally free. Okay. So we will be aligned to the 2 months, and I will here for your mentorship. So whatever doubt you will get, whatever challenges you will get, I will sort it out. That's the case. And also you can add this whatever projects we will complete, you can add it in your resume. That will help you. Also you can show that this internship experience that will be calculated for more companies in that. And I will provide you internship letter as well, joining letter as an intern, and then internship completion letter after the 2 months. But I will check for your performance. If no performance is there, we can terminate the internship. And we are having lot more people working together with us in upcoming sessions, or in upcoming interaction. I will also invite them, and they can also communicate with you regarding a lot more things. And you can also ask them your doubts regarding the workloads, whatever their responsibilities are there, and on which tools and technology they are working on. So any other doubt? Abhishek, Aditya, Aryan, Kalpana, Pranav, Ritesh, Siddharth. Right now, I have got information from these people: Parth, Ritesh, Akash, Vijay, Durgesh, Ajay, Kumar, Siddhant Kumar, Aryan, Amir, Kisan, and Ajay. These people have submitted the form until today. I will do cross check regarding their attendance too. So you need to present for all the meetings. That's the case, and we will also cross check for your performance as well. Is it fine? Say yes or no. I'm expecting your interaction. Okay, okay. Okay, so we can stop here and have a great day. And I will ping with upcoming meeting details as well, and upcoming steps that you need to follow, tasks you need to complete. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for this coordination. I will provide recording of this session as well.